Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the news about InvArch Tinkernet LBP is live on Basilisk. So InvArch is the IP on the Web3 and they focus on NFT and DAO. The famous one would be the UDAO NFT projects. Basilisk is the parachain focused on the Kusama. So now it's live today, so I'm going to make the video and show you that the Basilisk is a liquidity protocol built for Kusama ecosystem. The mission is to enable frictionless liquidity that caters the evolving needs of crypto assets, both fungible and non-fungible, so they can also work on the NFTs. Now this LBP is the first one on the Basilisk. It's a little bit different than the traditional one, so you can see the graph, like the price is keep dropping. So participate very early doesn't mean it's a good choice, because the Tinker price right now is $4. So if you want to pay with a KSM, right, you have to first go to the bridge. Right now I don't have the KSM, so you can go to the Karura. They have a bridge, and you can pick from the Kusama to Basilisk and put, like I just put one KSM to show you how to bridge the assets, and they would take a little bit time, and now they are all here. So I have the one KSM now, it's on the Basilisk, and if you want, you can definitely buy that. I'm not going to demo right now because, as you can see in the graph, the price is keep dropping down, so I probably will wait a little bit. And so if you want to buy in the future, then you can put the number and you can see the Tinker you are going to have. So with that price, and also the price impact, fees, everything, and you can also see this graph. I think this graph is just estimation, so maybe by later today you will see like the price of Tinker would be like less than $1 maybe. But anyhow, like this is how you can participate the LBP. So if you are interested, if you want to support the InvArch Tinkernet, you can do that. And don't forget, like the top 20 or something, like you can win the UDAO NFT, but I didn't find out where I can see the data, so I'm not sure like how many KSM you can participate and win the actual tickets. But this is just a demo and to show you how it works, how to participate, and the Tinker KSM. And I believe you can also use the Basilisk. They have their token, and you can also use that to get the Tinker token. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.